Hi, my name's Jan Radu. I'm from stampingelegance.com, and today's video focuses on the Love Santa kit, which is a really cute tag kit that Stampin' Up! Have brought out just in time for the Christmas season. And I thought I'd put together a quick video just showing you an overview of the 4 kinds of tags that you can make with this kit. It's really easy to put together. If you're not familiar with our kit collection, they really are an all-inclusive little box of fun, roughly about $33 if you live in Australia, and you get everything that you need bar a pair of scissors to put these really cute projects together. So I'm just showing you through all of the different die cuts that you get in the kit. You get a little mini Stampin' Spot, which is the little mini ink spot that you see there, and that's in Night of Navy. The instructions are in full color and they're really easy to follow. This particular sheet shows you all the elements that you need for each little mini tag project. So I'm just going through and pulling together all of the pieces that we'll need for this really cute Santa tag. And the main artwork is a really, really nice style. You can either use these as hanging decorations. The kit collection also comes with really cute little treat bags, and I know I plan on using them for my table favors this year. For my Christmas table, I thought I might fill them with some gingerbread or something like that, and then just use these cute little tags to decorate them just for a nice fun look. So I'm just cleaning off my stamps first when they come out of the kit. Sometimes they're a little bit sticky. They have a little bit of residue on them. So if you just give them a little wipe, either with a baby wipe or a wet cloth, I've used my Stampin' Chamois there. And it just gives you a better inking impression if you give them a clean first. So I'm just following the instructions. I've done my stamping and I'm using the little mini glue dots that come in the kit. You just use a little pair of scissors to pull the self-adhesive backing off those mini glue dots, and then you can easily attach them as you need to. And the other adhesive that comes in the kit are of course our little Stampin' Dimensionals, so they're little foam double-sided adhesive, and they just give a really nice extra dimension to your project. And this kit comes with some really cute baker's twine. I think it's in Poppy Parade and white. And the kit will tell you how much to measure. I'm actually using my grid paper to measure my twine, but if you open up your instructions, you'll see that along one side is a really easy tape measure for you to use as well. So we're just going on to the second project. I love this little tree design. It's very cute. There's a series of little labels and banners that go towards each project, and I'm just following the instructions, pulling out all the elements so that I am prepared, ready to put it together. And you'll see some little sparkly embellishments there as well, which come in the kit. I'm using my foam piercing mat, and when you're stamping with photopolymer, that always gives a little bit of cushion and gives a sharper image when you're stamping. But if you don't have the foam adhesive, you can use a piece of fun foam or even the chipboard that comes in the kit, that's sort of the packing back of all the product in the kit. You can use that for a little bit of extra cushioning as well. So I'm just stamping the sentiments in Night of Navy, and I'm going to use the glue dots just to layer those up and put those together. You can choose to either follow the directions exactly, or you can be a little creative and change it up a little bit. Maybe do one first as per directions, and then when you're doing the other multiple tags of each kind, you can be a little creative and try and make them look a little different. If you've got other adhesive in your craft stash, you could use some Tombow glue to make this an even quicker project. But I find once you get the hang of using these little glue dots and just using your scissors to pop them on. So just position that on the tree as is indicated on the instructions. And again, I'm measuring my twine. I think it's 30 centimeters that it requires just to tie your hanging part of the tag. I think that's a gorgeous little tree decoration as well. I had to guess a little bit as to where the embellishments went because it wasn't quite that easy to see. So I've just added some where I thought would look good in the little tree decorations. And if you enjoy putting these kits together, there's a bit of a selection on the stampinup.com.au website. If you have a look in the description of my video, I'll have the link that you can follow directly to the kits collection page, and it'll show you exactly what's in stock. And hopefully, you will be able to find the one that you're looking for. Isn't this car just absolutely gorgeous? I wish there was 10 of those. I've got some great ideas for some alternate card layouts, particularly using this car. I absolutely love the design. So I'm just going ahead and doing my stamping as indicated first. Special delivery, it's very cute. And this could actually be used for a birthday card as well. I know a lot of people who've ordered this kit have just been basically putting the tags together and then mounting them on a white card base, and there you go. You've got a card instead of a tag. It's a really, really quick project for you. A great one to do with younger members of the family, with a bunch of kids, or part of your Christmas crafts, maybe over the school holidays. So measuring my twine out again, and as you can see, this project's coming together really relatively easily. So this can be for a beginner crafter or someone like me who normally makes quite fussy projects, but I actually found this really enjoyable, quite relaxing, and when you're working with such cute imagery, you can't help but have fun. And for the last project, this is more a traditional tag looking design here. I love the Just Jade colouring in the foliage. Just be a little careful when you're pulling these out. Um, just be careful not to tear them. I just ease them out bit by bit. And of course, the kit comes with its own stamp set, as you can see. And once you've actually made all the project, you've got this great little stamp set for your stash that you can use in all sorts of other projects. It's got some really cute sentiments and some really nice images, like this big leaf image. I wasn't quite sure how that would stamp. It seems to be quite heavy when you ink it up, but it's actually quite dainty once you stamp it down. I think you could use this image all year round. So just assembling my little sentiment label now. So putting a couple of glue dots on the back of there. I made quite a mess putting all of this together with little bits of the adhesive backing all over the floor. And it just indicates to put a couple of glue dots on the foliage areas just to hold it down. So if you like the look of this kit, I wouldn't hesitate before placing your order because it is only while stocks last. And I know it's already sold out in America, I believe, but in Australia, we've still definitely got it available. And I know quite a few of you have already ordered it. I think this one as a card front is just gorgeous. I think I might be going a little bit overboard with the embellishments, but they're very cute. And this, of course, would be a great gift for the crafter in your life, just giving them the kit, or even putting the tags together and putting them in a nice package and giving the Christmas tags as a gift. I love handmade Christmas gifts, so that's a really nice idea for you. Thanks for joining me today. If you'd like any more information about our kits collection, check out my description below.